Factor the following completely. So as we look at these, the first problem says x squared minus 8x minus 20 this is split the middle. 1, 2, 3 terms. 1 times 20 is 20, and the factors of 20 are 1 and 20, 2 and 10, and 4 and 5. And what we're looking for is what combines to be 8. And combines means either adds to be 8 or subtracts to be 8. And 2 and 10 are going to combine to be 8. It's actually going to be 2 minus 10. So we get x squared plus 2x minus 10x minus 20. And then we can group here and here. Greatest common factor in the first group is x. And we're left with x plus 2. We had 2 x's, we took out 1, we still have 1. We had 1 x, we took it out. Be careful, minus. Greatest common factor is 10. It's the biggest number that divides into both. Negative 10x divided by negative 10 is x. Negative 20 divided by negative 10 is positive 2. And then what we've got is we've got x plus 2 times x minus 10. X minus 10. When we look at problem number 2, what we see is we have only 2 terms, so that narrows it down to starting with greatest common factor, and we should always be asking ourselves, do we have greatest common factor? And it does look like we at least have greatest common factor. There might be more to this, but the biggest number that divides into both 14 and 35 is 7. We've got an x squared here and an x. We're going to take the smallest exponent. And then what's going to happen is we're going to divide that out, so to speak. 14 divided by 7 is 2. We had 2 x's, we took 1 out. 35 divided by 7 is 5. We had 1 x, we took it out. We cannot do anything else. When we look at problem number 3, what I notice is there's a 3 right here. That says to me that I think we can do cubes. And I'm going to put soap beside that. You remember when we factor a cube, I like to do a little parentheses and a big parentheses. I'm trying to write my little parentheses right underneath the factor. But the cubed root of x cubed is x. The cubed root of 64 is 4. If you don't know how to find that on your calculator, talk to your teacher. And then what happens is, if we take x cubed divided by x, we had 3 x's, we took out 1, we still have 2. 64 divided by 4 is 16. That goes over here. X times 4 is 4x. So there's all the factors, and then what we've got. Same sign, opposite signs, always positive.